Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I did a gradient look to complement the beautiful sunny weather in Texas. If I do look shiny throughout the video, just know it's 100 degrees outside. It's not the best ever. It's the one thing I don't like about living in Austin, but I think this look came out amazing. For the lips, I did swatch 3 different shades, so at the end of the video, if y'all can just let me know which shade you prefer out of the 3, let me know. I'll appreciate that in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hi guys, so today we're going to be featuring the Juviasplace Bronze Rustic palette, and we're going to be swatching their bronze liquid lipsticks, and these shades come in bronze maple, bronze toast, and bronze chestnut. So they're all, I think this one's a more reddish brown color, we have a more nude color, we have a very deep brown color. So I'm going to swatch all 3 of these from lightest to darkest and see which one will match the best look that I create with this palette. I'm going to show you what the palette looks like. These are the shades that come in there. We have a few shimmer shades, 2 bright matte shades, and then 2 neutral matte shades. First thing I'm going to do before we start with the eyes, I'm going to do my brows, and I'll be going in with my e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil and my e.l.f. Clear Brown Lash Mascara. So it's like a brow gel, and this has double-sided. It has the brush on this side, and it has the crayon on this side. And this is the shade, I think it's the darkest brown that they have. It's not written on here, but the darkest brown they have is what I use because my eyebrows are darker. And this one is like half brow, half lash gel. So you can use it on your lashes if you want to put on actual mascara. And this will help your brows stay in place throughout the day. I'm gonna go with my handheld mirror so I can see a little bit better, and that way y'all can see as well. You kind of want to go in the strokes in which the brow grows, and you can basically shape it however you want it. I like to give mine a little bit of an arch. All right, there you go. Now let's go in with the brow gel. Today's foundation, I'm going to be using the Almay Make Myself Clear foundation in the shade 900. And if you're someone that loves full coverage, you can always layer up if you want to, but I like to keep mine a little bit light, especially when it's hot outside. I don't want my face to go melting in the sun, so this does do a really good job after one coat with coverage, and it still looks very natural. I'm gonna lightly contour with my Juviasplace Sokoto. It's a foundation stick. It's almost the same shade as my skin, but I'm not trying to do a deep contour, so I'm just gonna kind of blend in those contour areas. And then I'm gonna go ahead and conceal with my Juviasplace Magic Concealer in the shade number 12. Done. You can kind of see a little glow under my skin. Alright, time to go in with the eyeshadow. And I'm going to set my makeup really fast with the Revlon Photo Ready Prep, Set, and Refresh. Next, I'm going to go in and prime my eyes with the Juviasplace iPrep iPrime eye primer, and this is the shade number 2. Alright, we're going to blend and let this air dry a little bit so that it'll mattify on the skin. I'm going to first go in with this shade as my base and then build up a gradient to the shimmers. I'm going in with the reddish shade next. together by going back in with that darker shade and blending those two together. Next, I'm going to go in with the orange shade. Alright, I finished with the other eyes. You can kind of see how the colors flow into each other. I'm contemplating, like, should I fluff it out with that nude color or should I leave it alone? I'm going to try it. I did decide to go in with the gold shimmer in the inner corners of my eyes. I'm going to use the base shade I used for this corner here to kind of gradient under the eye. Okay, guys, now we're going to go in with the three lippies. I have my Juviasplace Luxe liner in Brownie, and I have all three of the shades I showed you guys earlier. We have the Toast, Chestnut, and Maple. First things first, line my lips. This is a really dark brown, and I love that it's so dark because that way I'm able to blend the shades better. First shade, we're going to go in with Bronze Toast. It is a more nude color, as you can see here, and we're going to just dab that into the middle. Alright, so there's Bronze Toast. This is so pretty. Oh my god. And now I kind of wish I put on my eyeliner. Alright, I'm going to put on my eyeliner and come right back so we can get the full effect of this look. For today's lashes, I'm going to be using the Cala 3D Faux Mink lashes, and these are the MAXX lashes, so they're multi-dimensional lashes. Supposed to have weightless, volume, and curl. I've worn these before. Can't remember what they look like, but we're going to see today. There they are, lashes on. Oh my god, these look so nice. So yes, back to the lips. So this one is the Bronze Toast. You can kind of see how it dried. It's not too matte and it's not too glossy. So it's like the perfect mixture of both. I'm going to take this one off and we're going to swatch the next shade. All right, we're going to go in with the Bronze Maple shade. This is the more maple, orangey, reddish color. So let's see how that looks. Oh wow, this is so pretty. Alright, so I feel like this would be the perfect shade for fall because of how it has those fall colors, you know. Even this palette and this look itself be a nice fall color. If you want to do a more summery look, you probably go a little brighter and a little bit lighter or nuder on the lips, but this is really pretty. And then last but not least, I'm going to remove this. We're going to go in with our Bronze Chestnut, which is our deepest and darkest brown shade. All right, so this is the Bronze Chestnut shade, the darkest brown. Let's go ahead and apply it. Look at that, it's really, really chocolate. Oh my god. Like, do I even need anything else? So this one, I think I'd wear this one for like a night out. It's deep, it's rich, it's chocolatey. It's just, it gives that, once again, a fall vibe. I think for this look, I would choose the first ever shade, which was the Bronzed Toast, that nude one. So I will change back into that one so that I can head out to run my errands for the day. But these are really beautiful shades. So it's perfect for people with our skin tone. You have deeper, darker skin tones. These shades work really well. Just get the perfect liner and you'll be good to go. I'll be right back. All right, so I went back to the Bronzed Toast lip, and now we're gonna go in with our highlighter. I'm gonna highlight my face, like cheekbones, with the Juviasplace, the Nubian by Juvia'S, Nubia. And then for my under eye, I'm gonna highlight with the last shade on the palette, this one right down here. And that way we can have accomplished using all 6 shades on our eye look today. Oh my god, that is rich. So whenever I'm using Juviasplace's highlighters, I go very, very light because of how pigmented they are. Oh my goodness, that is bright. I'm gonna blend this out so it doesn't look as jagged as what you're seeing here. What you guys think in the comments below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all next time. Bye.